very, very blessed to learn Srimad Bhagavatam today, Sunday class. We are studying Rudra Gita for many weeks. We are in 4.24. So, our Prachetas are going to do tapas as per the command of their father. Lord Shiva came and gave them darshan in the Narayana Saras where Guruvayurappan is there, and Prachetas got Upadesha from Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva, the moment he saw them, Bhagavan is blessing the Prachetas and saying, Yuyam Vedishadam Putra Viditam Vaschikeshidam 27, 4.24, Shloka 27. Sri Rudra Uvacha Yuyam Vedishadam Putra Viditam Vaschikeshidam Anugrahaya Badram Evam Me Darshanam Kritam Yaf Param Brahma Sahasakshadi Triguna Jiva Sannidar Bhagavandam Vasudevam Prapannasta Priyohime. Lord Shiva is telling, I have come to give you darshan because I want to bless you. And whoever has surrendered wholeheartedly to Guruvayurappan, they are my favorite bhaktas. And then this sloka we saw to great extent. Swadharmanishtaha shadajanma vipuman pirinjata vedi tadaparam himam avyakritam bhagavadoda vaishnavam padam yadaham vibhuda kalatyaye. Whoever has done their swadharma correctly for 100 janmas, they attain the loka of Brahma. Even one day we are not able to do swadharma correctly. Where is one janma? Impossible. We all slip and then we rise. We slip and fall. We slip and fall. And then we rise again. So one janma hard, one day is hard, one janma hard, 100 janma. After that, they attain Brahmaloka. If they even do better, even higher, they go to Mailoka. Irinjata Medi Tadaparam Hima, or Mailoka even higher. But the Bhakta of Guruvayurappan, who are wholeheartedly surrendered and who continuous Nama Sankirtan and Bhajan to Bhagavan, they are taken care immediately. A Vimanam comes to them and takes them to Vaikunta. Passing Brahmaloka, Shivaloka, everything goes direct to Vaikunta. Avyakridam Bhagavadoda Vaishnavam Padam Yadaham Vibhuda Kalatyaye. The Tukaram saint vandade. The Vimana came for Tukaram Maharaj. He ascended the Vimana in this body. So what did he do? He was also Grihastha. He had family, he had children, he lived day-to-day life like you and I. But only thing, total surrender and all. Surrender means not like, oh, I have to surrender. No, not like that. The love came. The love came for Bhagavan by Sant Anugraha, and he is delighting in always immersed in bhajan. Like a Narsi Mehta, like a Tukaram Maharaj, like Jnaneshwar Maharaji, Narayana Avatar, like that, Mirabai, they go immediately. They are not doing karma and attain result, etc. So such Bhakta Pundanam, Andamadri Bhakta, they directly attain Bhagavan, like that. Avyakridam Bhagavadoda Vaishnavam Padam Yadaham Vibhuda Kalatyaye Pada Bhagavadayuyam Priyasta Bhagavan Yada Namad Bhagavadanam Cha Priyananyosti Karhichiti. There is no one dearer to me than Bhagavatas, and for the Bhagavatas there is no one dearer than me. Shiva Vishnuவோடு ஐக்கியத்தை சொல்றார். இதம் விவிக்தம் ஜப்தவ்யம் பவித்ரம் மங்களம் பரம் நிஸ்ரேயசகரம் சாபி சூயதாம் தத்வதாமி வஹ. I'm going to give you this japa. It's a very pavitra mangalam. It will bring all auspiciousness and it will have to chant it with correct accent. So we are going to try again, okay? My Uvacha, Lord Shiva said, either attentiva, correcta, sing it, and then Bhagavan will bless. So, Maitreya Uvacha, Ityanokrosha Hridayo, Bhagavan Ahatan Shivaha, Baddangalim Rajaputra, Narayana Parovachaha. This way, Lord Shiva started singing the Rudra Gita. Sri Rudra Uvacha, Jidam Tatma Vidhurya, Swastaye Swastirastu me, Bhavatārabdha Sāradham, Sarvasmātmane Namaha, Namah Pankajanavaya, Bhuta Sukshmendriyatmane, Vasudevaya Shantaya, Udastaya Swarochashe. Gadvaraya. Bhagavan is the one granter of moksha. He is the one who gives pleasures here. Everything is Bhagavan. Nothing exists outside of him. Namo Jai Kshetrayaha Padaye Yajnarekasi is the yaga. He is the result of the yaga. Bhagavan is giving tripti to the Pitrikal. Bhagavan is the one giving all rest. So think. Every time people will, somebody's put message, there is Diwali celebration in the library, Atlanta. Why should there be Diwali in library? Why should they use public funds to celebrate Diwali? So the problem is here, how we are celebrating all festival, Halloween or Christmas or Thanksgiving. They do culture things in the outside public. Like that, some Indian very enthusiastic, they try to have a Diwali event in the foreign library, right? So some Indian only putting message, why should they bring religion into library? I'm telling, without religion, without Bhagavan, there is no rasa. What is Diwali? It is the birth of Bhagavan, it is the destruction of Narakasura, it is celebration of light. Every festival we do is because Bhagavan. Every celebration we do is because of Bhagavan. We celebrate Bhagavan in Sharad Purnima. We celebrate Bhagavan in Shankaravanti. We celebrate Bhagavan in Navaratri. We celebrate Bhagavan Gokulashtami, Ramanam. Every celebration we do is excuse to celebrate Bhagavan. Without Bhagavan, there is no ras. So, all the people here are confused. If you don't come to satsang, you will have all the confusion. Bhagavan is the rasatmani. He is giving ras. In the Sharad Purnima, the moon is giving amritam. When we drink the warm sweet milk, the moon has amritam that night. So Bhagavan is in every festival, in every celebration. So to just have food and friendship, what is wrong, right? Just like we do other events in the library, we are blending into the culture, right? We are, so we cannot get confused. It's good to blend into the culture. We do Diwali, let them do Christmas. And whoever want to come for both, good. If you don't come, good, it's fine. But for us, every utsav, every ras is coming from Radhe. Radhe, tend Bhagavan, ella ras, he is the source, he is the source. Cannot get ras without Bhagavan. You can win the lottery, you can have everything, but ras kidhar hai? Ras is from Bhagavan. Peace is coming from Bhagavan. So, Namah Sarva Rasatmani. Triptidaya cha Jivana. Tripti avartana vardu. So, Namah Sarva Rasatmani. Sarva Sattvatma Dehaya. Visheshaya Sthaviyase. Namastailokya Palaya. Sa Ojo Balaya cha. Pathalingaya Navase. Namo Andar Bahiratmane. Nama Punyaya Lokaya. Amushmai Bhuri Vachase. Taya Nivrittaya. Pitradevaya Karmane. Namo Dharma Vipakaya. Prityave Dukkadaya cha. Namastashim Ashishamesha. Manave Karanatmane. Namo Dharmaya Brihade. Krishnaya Kundamedase. Purushaya Puranaya. Sankhya Yogeshwaraya cha. Shaktitraya Sametaya. रूपं प्रियतमं स्वानन्दं सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाञ्जनं दर्शनं नोति दृक्षूणां देहि भागवदाचिनं रूपं प्रियतमं स्वानन्दं सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाञ्जनं. Everything is Bhagavan. Bhagavan is the subtle thing behind, above Prakriti Purushakta. Bhagavan is the Brahman. From him the Maya Shakti came. Bhagavan is Tapas. Bhagavan is Yagam. Bhagavan is Chittam. Bhagavan is Manas. Bhagavan is Chittam. Bhagavan is Sankarshana Murti, Ahankara Shakti. Bhagavan is Manas, which is Aniruddha. Bhagavan is Buddhi, which is Pradyumna. Yellam Bhagavan. And then Yaga is Bhagavan. Pitrikaloda Sandosham is Bhagavan. Everything is Bhagavan, but we want darshan of that form which you give to devotees. Bhagavadalku nee darshan kudukre, andha darshan enakku karaname. Darshanam noti drikshuna dehi bhagavadaarchinam rupam priyatamam swanam sarvendriya gunanjanam. You want to see that beautiful auspicious form which you give darshan, with which you give darshan to devotees. எப்படி இருக்கு அந்த ஃபார்ம்? ஸ்னிக்த பிராவ்ரத்னஸ்யாமம் சர்வ சௌந்தர்ய சங்கிரகம் சார்வாயத சதுர்பாஹும் சுஜாத ருச்சிரானனம் பத்மகோஷ பலாசாக்ஷம் சுந்தர ப்ரூ சுநாசிகம் சுத்விஜம் சுகபோலாஸ்யம் समकर्ण विभूषणम् इति प्रहसितापाङ्गम् अलकैः उपशोभितं लसत्पङ्कजकिञ्जल्क दुकूलं मृष्टकुण्डलं स्फुरत्किरीटवलय आरनूपुरमेखलं शङ्खचक्रगदापद्म मालामण्युष्टमद्धिमते कन्दोद्विष सिंहस्कन्धद्विषो बिभ्र सौभगग्रीवकौस्तुभं श्रियानपायिन्या चित्त निकषताश्मोरसोल्लसते सिंहस्कन्धद्विषो बिभ्र सौभगग्रीवकौस्तुभं श्रियानपायिन्या चित्त निकषाश्मोरसोल्लसते पूररेचकसंविघ्न वलिवल्गुदरोदरम् प्रतिसंक्रामयद्विश्वं नाव्यावर्तगभीरया श्रोण्यधिरोचिष्णु दुकूलस्वर्णमेखलं समचार्वङ्घ्रिजङ्गोरु निम्नजानु सुदर्शनं श्याम श्रोण्यधिरोचिष्णु दुकूलस्वर्णमेखलं समचार्वङ्घ्रिजङ्गोरु निम्नजानु सुदर्शनं पदाशर पद्मपलाशरोचिषा न कद्युभिर्नोऽन्तरगं विदुर्मदा प्रदर्शय स्वीयम् अपास्तसात्वसं पदं गुरो मार्गगुरस्तमोजुषा पदाशर पद्मपलाशरोचिषा न कद्युभिर्नोऽन्तरगं विदुर्मदा प्रदर्शय स्वीयम् अपास्तसात्वसं padam guru marga gurustamojusham. Telling Apay that the darshan we want, where we are seeing the roopam of Bhagavan with beautiful blue color complexion, with lovely soft complexion, with beautiful chaturbhuja roopa and beautiful nose, beautiful cheeks, and with mandahasam of Bhagavan, wearing the tulasi mala and vanamala, wearing beautiful kirida and kankana and shiny kundala, and then his lotus feet of Bhagavan. Padasharat padma palasharochisha. Lotus atma soft irukku and the feet. Nagaddivenno andaragam vidurvada. The nails of Bhagavan remove the andhakar in us. They remove the darkness within us. That is why all the shloka tell to do worship the feet always. The feet of Bhagavan remove our darkness. They give us ananda. Gently they give. We don't even realize how we have come here. It is a process which happens Uchela, without saying anything like that, gently, Bhagavan is blessing and giving path, and he put us all in Bhagavad Dharma path. So we are very blessed because we won't even realize. At the end only, we'll realize. Now we are, see the process we are, the most bhagyam. Shiva Cholra in the Stuti Padikirde bhagyam. So, Pada Sharat Padma Pala Sharojisha Nagadjavenu Vidunvada Pradarshaya Swiyam Apasta Sadvasam Padam Guru Marga Gurustamodrusham. It removes the tamo guna in us. We are all struggling inside. Some of us realize, some don't realize, and some don't realize what is the way out. So to get all that is Bhagavan Guru Kripa. That sloka again, Edadruva Manudhyayam Atma Shuddhim Abhipsada Yad Bhakti Yogo Abhayadaha Sadharmam Manutishtada Bhavan Bhakti Madam Madalabhu Durlabha Sarvadena Swarajyasyapyabhimada Ekadena Edat Edadruva Manudhyayama Shuddhim. In the Rupata, we have to do dhyanam of this Rupa to attain Chitta Shuddhi. Atma Shuddhim Abhipsadam Yad Bhakti Yogo Abhayadaha Swadharmam Manuthishtadam. As Bhagavad Gita says, do all action as offering to me and leave the result to me. Like that, if we are doing action for Bhagavan, Adum, it will give us supreme blessing. This blessing is the rarest. Bhavan Bhakti Madalabhyo Durlabha. This is Durlabham. This Satsangam, and already we are in the journey. Otherwise, enjoyable. Destination also even more enjoyable. For Bhagavad Dharma, the journey is enjoyable and the destination is also enjoyable, even more. In Sannyasa Marga, every day is struggle. You have to follow so many rules, and then end will be good. In yoga, sannyasa, in tapas, everything, here you have to struggle, but end will be good. But Bhakti Marga, it's a win-win. Here also there is ras daily. See the ras, is the rasa rupa, sarva rasatmani. For Bhakti person, here also ras. Every festival we decorate different ways. We cook nice food and we enjoy, we dress nicely, we celebrate, sing and dance nicely. Bhakti nice, Yendalim nice. So, Yad Bhakti Yogo Abhayadaha Swadharmam Manutishtanam Bhavan Bhakti Madalabhyo Durlabha Sarvadehinam. The Bhakti romba rarata. Bhagavan doesn't give so liberally. So, this Bhakti even all the devas, all the yogis, they want this Bhakti only. In Narayanyam also, 96th canto, there is sloka 95. You give everything, but Bhakti ni romba selectiva you are giving. It is selective. He has given Bhakti and Nama. Everybody cannot get. So this is Durlabha. So Bhavan Bhakti Madalabhyo Durlabha Sarvadehina Swarajyasyapyabhimada Ekadena Atmavidgati. Even other born in other yuga, Kali Yuga, other yuga, they wish to be born here. Even other lokas, they wish to be born here and attain Bhakti. How did they get Bhakti apo? How did we get? Tam Duraradhyamaradhya Satamapi Durapaya Ekanta Bhaktya Ko Vanche Padamulam Vinabhagihi. Tam Duraradhyamaradhya Shivaji Maharaj is going and taking all kind of offering to some Tukaram. He says, "Idella kuppai, take it away." Ramakrishna Paramahamsa can just create gold from his hand itself. In the Kanchana Sukamalla Nekvena. So they have enjoyed the bhakti. Apara they see everything as tucham. That is the bhakti ras adu ulla irukku in you and me. Everybody is adhikari for it. Everybody is adhikari, whoever is going by slowly, listening to Guru Upadesha, following the words of the Guru Naga and chanting Nama and Bhagavata Dharma, slowly they get that bhakti ras. Because I saw it in my own eyes, that girl who attained moksha in the ashram. With my own eyes, I saw that girl serving the last moment, giving mala to Bhagavan. We say Narayani Shloka, whoever gives mala, Bhagavan will bless with bhakti. Adana, I saw it, right? So that we can see a bhakta attaining. Adu vandu Saint Tukaramla I didn't see, but I saw bhakta in Guruji ashram getting there. So that bhakti once you get, then everything else is this is it. This Indriya Sukha will not have any rest after that, because there is Atma Sukha, continuous rest coming from inside. But we are not able to tap because we got lost in Indriya Sukha. So as we do more and more, thinking Lord Shiva, Stuti you gave, let me chant a few shloka. Like that, if we do with bhakti, it's coming for us. So this is very durlabam. Tam duraradhyamadadya satamapi durapaya ekanta bhaktya kovansi padamulam vinavalihi yatra nirvishtamarana kritando nabhimanyate vishvam midvamsayam vijya shaudya visputida brava. Yamadharma Raja has so much power. He can just with movement of eyebrows just say, your time is up, come on, Naragam, go. He has control of death for people. But even that Yamadharma Raja is saying, the Bhakta Krita I cannot do. Bhakta are higher than me. Even he is surrendering to Bhakta Sambhagavan. Does not matter what power you have power of heaven like Indra or Yama's power of controlling the death of everyone, or those power, nothing a bhakta would rest that he enjoying, they cannot get. So even Yamadharma Raja is surrendering to bhakta and saying, wow. So yatra nirvishtamarana kritanto nabhimanyare vishvam vidhamsayam, he is always doing that, Yama. But he is afraid of the devotees. Virya shaurya vispuchida bruma. Now see the sloka. This is the essence of this. Chanarde na pitulaye na swargam na punarbhavam bhagavat sangi sangasya madhyana kimuta shishah. Chanarde na pitulaye na swargam na punarbhavam Bhagavat Sangi Sangasya Marjana Kimuta Shishah. Even 1 minute of satsang with Jnani, there is nothing equal to it. It will even liberate, even attaining Swarga or any other attainment is nothing compared to one Sharana satsang with saint, with Jnani. இப்போ இருக்க பூர்ணமாமி everywhere பெரியவா going, the jnanis are walking and talking God, நடமாடும் தெய்வம். So one darshan, I don't know what to say, continuous staying there is like that is it. So one association, that is why we run to Guruji darshan. When you see we are here, but there is an ocean out there in India. The Mahans have spread Bhagavatam everywhere, like Samudram, like it is spreading so fast. You think Kali Yuga is spreading here? Over there, it's Bhakti Yoga is spreading. The Mahan Sri Sri Anna has created a Samudram of devotees. And our Gurunatha also, so many Bhakta, if you go to one event, you will see association with them for 1 second there is nothing equal to it. Chanadena pitulaye na swargam na punarbhavam bhagavat sangi sangasya matyana kimuta shishaha. Not even attain heaven, not even moksha. What about the worldly thing? These are all nothing compared to the association of a bhakta. Bhakta is Bhagavan ke mela bhakta. Tukaram Maharaj is bhakta. He can do more what Narayana did not do, Tukaram Maharaj can do. What Guruvayur Pandit cannot do, Guruji can do. Guruvayur Pandit Chaturbhuja Rupa Shanga Chakra Gada Padma. Guruji took out Shanga Chakra and just became with 2 hands and white veshti in Guruvayur Pandit. Whatever Guruvayur Pandit is limited to do, Guruji will say, that's it. And they say Rama speaks Satyam. Also they say whatever Rama speaks is Satyam, becomes Satyam. And Guruji says Adu Satyam Aidum. And the Mari Mahan in India, they are coming Bhakta Stavat Kalosyu Ramila Bhuvitado Bhurishastatra Chochai Kaverim Tamraparni Manukila Tamalam Chapunyam Pradichim. Bhagavan is sending Bhaktas in Kali Yuga. There is no avatara as such, but Bhagavan is sending Yogiram Surat Kumar in the north, or he came to south also, Ramana Malai in the Ramana Maharshi in the south. In the west, Maharashtra saints Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Tukaram Maharaj, Pandharipur Bhaktas, like so many names are there, Chokamela, Janabai, Janabai. In the east, Calcutta, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the north, Mirabai. Everywhere, all north, east, west, south, in between direction, everywhere, saints have come and they are spreading the Bhakti Marga. So, this Chana's Sangha will transform. Otherwise, the mind is very powerful. We cannot transform a person overnight. A person who is bound by his habits, he will behave in that way only. So, by words or by Ravana, how many times they gave advice, he never listened. Duryodhana never listened. People will not listen. But one darshan of satsang will transform them. Like example, many other Jagai Mathai are there in at the same time as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started the Nam Sankirtan movement, and then he sent his Shishya Nityananda Prabhu Haridas Thakurji and say, go and spread Kirtan everywhere. These two are the worst. They are born in Brahmin family, but they got bad association and they started the drinking and cheating habits. So they are shunned by everyone. Nobody talks to them. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Shishyas thought, Iva the best candidate. Let us go tell them Mahamantra. And when they go to tell Mahamantra, they are ridiculing them and they chase them, and both have to run for their lives. They are following them and trying to harm them. And they ran. And then this Jagai, he took a broken pot and threw on the head of Nityananda. And Nityananda Prabhu started bleeding. Immediately, Haridas Thakurji went and reported to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, come in. And the first reaction, take the chakra. This avatar of Narayana, he took the chakra to do Nigraha. Nityananda Prabhu, Gurnaga, this avatar is not for Nigraham, it is for Anugraham. Please bless him. Bhakta would association, Bhakta's plea towards the bad person. Nityananda Prabhu immediately hugged Jagai, and he became dark. The sins of Jagai Madai came to Nityananda Prabhu and stayed. He became dark for few seconds, and then it went away. Jagai Madai, instant transformation. Instant. They realized their mistake, instant transformation. It put the mind, otherwise it will not transform. But Kshana Sangha of Sadhu, Nityananda, Chaitanya Prabhu hugging them, because a Bhakta recommended, our Bhakta went clear, Bhakta has recommended Nityananda, Mahaprabhu hugged, and sins vanished, and they became Bhakta and precious, continuous seva, continuous nama every day. How they transform? Tanadena apitulai. So this way we ask, go to Mahan Darshan. Another sloka. Nahyam mayani tirthani na deva mrichila maya te punanturu kalena darshana deva sadhavaha. Bhagavan is telling this to Akrura. Nahyam mayani tirthani. People go tirtha sthala, okay, go, but this is shortcut method. Getting darshana of Maha, a jackpot. Tirtha sthala, you spend money, you do all that, okay, fine. But it will take long time to cleanse. But Maha Darshan, immediate. So, Nahyam Mayani Tirthani. Na Deva, Kovil better, all the worshipping different deities, slowly it will happen. Prichila Mayaha, worshipping the idols. And then doing yaga. Nahyam Mayani Tirthani, Na Deva Prichila Mayaha, Te Punanturu Kalena, ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா தர்ஷனா தேவ சாதவஹ சாது தர்ஷனால immediately our transformation starts. It is rapid. If you want go in good strength, keep going. But if you want Rajdhani fast express, Mahan Bhagavan is giving example. Many sloka like this. Raghu gane tat tapasanayati na chejaya nirvapana grihatva na chandasa naiva jalagni suryaihi vina mahat pada rajobhishekam. The aham it will not leave so easily. The aham is very subtle for us. We are engaged in bhakti marga, aham will be very hiding very quietly. It is coming now and then. It will not go so easily, not with tapas. Raghu ganeta tapasanayati na chejayana. Yagam பண்றது பூஜை பண்றதுலாம் போகாது. நிர்வபனா நிறைய ஞான விசாரம் பண்றது by ourselves, all this it will not leave. But vina mahatpada rajo, go and take the just of the padaduli of the saint. You will see immediate result. Yeah, we have seen bhakta and then they never want to leave that. You go there in Chennai, it's an ocean out there. So Guruvayur Saptaham, November is coming. If you can, make a visit. Bangalore Saptaham, Guruji will come. If you can, make a visit. There is nothing like Mahan Darshan. I am here because immediate transformation happened. So you are all adhikari for it. Everybody is adhikari for it. Just you see the sloka who is telling. Lord Shiva has said, Chanade na pitulaye na swargam na punarbhavam bhagavat sangi sangasya matyanam kimutashishaha atanaganghristava kirti tirthayoho andarbhisnana viduta papmana bhudeshu anukrosha susatvashilina syat sangamo anugraha eshanastavaha atanaganghristava kirti tirthayoho andarbhisnana viduta papmana bhudeshu anukrosha susatvashilina syat sangamo anugraha eshanastava. The saints are always engaged in Bhagavad Seva, Bhagavad Guna, either Katha or Nama or visiting temples, giving Anugraha. They are always engaged in tapas only. And so they are pure. They are just a ball of purity. So when we go, their energy is passing. It is also very high philosophy. Otherwise, mind will not be transformed. Mind is getting energy from everywhere. So if you are with the Rajasic person, their energy is coming. If you are with the Tamasic person, their energy is coming. But if you are with pure Sattva, and the energy is coming. Guruvayurappan is Shuddha Sattva Swarupa. That Guruvayurappan has come in the form of these saints. If you are Devi, you can say Devi Bhakta, Devi Das Saint Kamachi Devi, okay. If you are Shiva Bhakta, you say Nandanarmani Bhakta Das Saint, yeah, okay. We are all the Rupa of Bhagavan, Shuddha Sattva Rupa. So our energy is coming. Adana is making us hear, which bhava I speak, which bhava you hear, alone he is controlling. Everything he is controlling. Andarbahistana viduta papana bodeshu anukroshasu satvashilina. The saints will not cheat us. They are straightforward nature, straightforward, and they don't have any tamo guna. Sat sangamo, sya sangamo anugraha eshanastavaha. They are only having karunai to everyone. Like Jagai Madai, Mahaprabhu did karunai, right? They only, because that is their swarupa. And it takes long time to understand them. After being in first year satsang, you won't understand. Then second year satsang, third year satsang, fourth year, now 11th year. So slowly the clarity will come. Different onion skin we are removing, like that. The clarity will come slowly. But you have to let it, you have to allow it to come. So a saint are really making the difference, that Bhagavan is so merciful that he is sending saints in Kali Yuga. Even when Ghora Kali Yuga will be there, the saints will be there. The Kali Yuga will be even more, very difficult to go through that period. But even at that time, some saints will be there to purify and bless. So that is Bhagavan's grace. Nayasya chittam bhagirartha vibramam tamo guhayam cha vishuddhamavishan yad bhakti yoganugriheda mandasa muni vichaste nanutatra tegadim. Yoga also very beautiful. We will take it next week. After when we do the practice of bhakti, we attain to that state of mind which will not be drawn outside. It will not be overcome by tamo guna. It will be happy to stay in itself, always awake and in a state of ananda. And in the ananda state, Bhagavan Prakashama, Bhagavan will shine. So that is the very beautiful place I want to stop. Yad bhakti yoganu vihida mandasa munir vichaste nanu tatta te gadim. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda